begins.
Unfortunately, this video is going to be broken up into a few parts. This first part is going to be building the main structure of the boat. Even more bad news, I lost a good portion of the video while I was making this. I'm going to have to resort to pictures for parts of it. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. This picture looks a little intimidating, but don't worry. All you need to know is that the orange parts are 2x4, the blue parts are fence pickets, and the lighter brown parts are the thinnest plywood I could find. For the basic structure, we're going to be using 3 8-foot long pieces of 2x4 and 3 6-foot long pieces of 2x4. In all 6 of these pieces, we're going to be making 3 cross-lap joints. When combined, you end up with this setup. We're going to need 2 of these. The other thing I don't have a lot of video for is this 4x4 that I cut 2 1-inch chamfers into. In the 4 farthest corners on the insides, I put these brackets to help make setup a lot easier. We're going to need 8 of these in total. Next, I put the 2 grids over each other to make the step after this much easier. On top of each of the brackets, we're going to put a 6-foot long vertical 2x4. Next, we're going to want to lift the grid that is on top onto the 2x4s. I used a ladder to help me step it up to the right height. Now with everything in place and clamped, we can screw it all together. As the intent is to make this boat rock back and forth, we're going to need diagonal supports. Again, I lost video making these, but all you really need to know is that the top length is 4 feet long and the bottom one is just long enough to stick out, and then it comes out at a 45-degree angle. You're going to want 6 of these in total, 3 for each side. When you've got all of them installed, you're going to want to put a small piece of 2x4 at the end to be able to attach the next board to. This piece is an 8-foot long picket. On the bottom, we're going to want to do the same thing. Next comes the front of the boat, and this part could be a little bit challenging. The piece closest to the boat is actually cut at a 15-degree angle. The bottom pieces are cut to be significantly shorter and end at a 45-degree angle. It makes it significantly easier if you can prop these boards up. We're also going to want to provide a little bit of vertical support. And that's it for the main structure of the boat. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for part 2. In part 2, we're going to be building the mast.
Echoing wide, monsters born nowhere to hide. Dark souls stitched and sealed in this lab where secrets are revealed.